So in today's video, I'm going to be putting you on to the best mascara combo or technique ever to make your lashes look insane. I'm going to show you pictures of me a few years ago using this same exact mascara, and then pictures of me recently doing this technique that I'm about to show you. And literally, you guys, when I do this, my eyelashes, they touch my eyebrows. So in that first eyelash video, I told you guys that my favorite mascara of all time was the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara, and that's still true to this day. However, the other day, TikTok put me on to the Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal. But I found a way to get the benefits from both of them by combining them. So let's just get into the hack already. Now for the hack, I'm going to start with the Monsieur, and I'm going to do one coat of it on my lashes. While the mascara is still wet, I'm gonna put on the Telescopic.